Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Kevin and I'm back with another video. So basically today I have a trade for you guys. So today is currently August 26th, Tuesday, 8:42 a.m. And you can see I got in on a trade here and I'm expecting it to buy. So right now I'm in some profits. I funded about $7. I've basically flipped it to, I've doubled the account. You can see the live account here. It's a live account. The live account basically. So let me explain to you guys why I got in on this trade basically. So yeah, so I like to trade trend lines a lot. So you can see I have my first touch of the trend line here, my second touch of the trend line here, and the third touch. Yeah, I thought it was even gonna break out, but when I saw this double bottom, I was like, okay, I have to get in. So I got in around here. But the thing I'm really skeptical about is if I go to the 4-hour time frame, there is a resistance zone here. So even me, I'm a bit, I won't say confused, but when you're on a trade and you're like, this trade might be like, let's say 60-40%. So as you can see, this is where the market is currently. You see the zone here? That's where I'm currently in, and there's a resistance zone there. There is a resistance zone. Look at the resistance zone here. You reach here, it dropped. Now market is there. Now I don't know if it's gonna drop or it's gonna go higher, but normally this thing should be going down if this resistance is supposed to hold. But anyways, once I start to see that market is changing, my behavior is changing, like you can see now, I started to see red candles. Yes, I started to see sell candles like this. Then I might change. Then I might hop out of the trade basically. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see how this candle is gonna change, how everything's gonna form, how everything is gonna play out, and I'll update you guys. But currently right now I'm up about just 6.227. So yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys know later on. So yeah, updates on the trade and on the account. So the account is now 10 USD right now because I just funded extra $3, so making it a total of $10 from $7. And I got in on the trade at this top here. Hopefully, although you can see I'm still in small profit because the trades at the bottom, the profit at the bottom is catering for the loss at the top. So yeah, I just funded that extra $10 because I was like, okay, if I'm gonna make money, let's really make money out of this thing basically. Although I can still lose money because I told you that this trade, I'm a bit skeptical about this trade because of the zone that was here. I didn't even notice the resistance zone until I got on the trade. So I think I'm gonna get in another entry here. Yep, buy right there. See how this trade is gonna be basically. Sorry, I got the message. Let's see how this trade is gonna be basically. So because I took this trade when I was on my bed, I just woke up, I just saw the trade, I was like, let me take it. But when I now got on my laptop and I saw this resistance zone, I was like, I'm already in on the trade already. So let's see how it's gonna play out. Either I win or it's gonna be a loss. Update on the trade. The trade just going up, going down, goes up, go down basically, and I think I'm still in some profits. I should still be in some profits basically. So it's currently going on right now though. Just about just $4 in profits basically. So let's see what's gonna happen. Basically. Let's see. As you can see right now, things are not looking good basically right now. Let me show you right now. Right now I am down about $3 or even $4 right now. I'm down $4 now. From $10 I'm negative $3-4 basically. So what do I do in this case when the market is not going in my direction? I don't know. Honestly. But basically from what I'm seeing, right, any markets end up breaking this place here, I'm out. I'm honestly out of the trade because I told you that this resistance zone here, is what really is even making me like feel so. I'm not 100% sure about this trade honestly, but I ended up taking it. So just $2 now negative. So by 9:25, and the way this candle closes, that's gonna determine whether I'm still gonna be on this trade or I'm gonna leave this trade. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. But still negative. We're negative right now. So update you guys. I just lost the full $10 right now. This is it. You can see. Yep. And yeah. I can't blown, man. Can't blown. But that's it for the video, and it's not every time we win. At least I've showed you some losses. So that's it basically. So when I see you guys again, basically. So after we just lost this $10, we're gonna have to talk about the emotional part after you take a loss. Well, you might feel anger, you might feel angry that I took a loss, but you agree to the risks. I agree to the $10 that I'm willing to risk the whole $10 to make 60, 70, but you're definitely gonna feel some kind of, I won't say regret, but you're gonna feel angry basically. So that's it. It's not every time you win, sometimes you lose, but just make sure that your wins are way larger and bigger than your losses. I can take like 4 losing trades. I can lose $10, take like 4 losses, but that one trade where I flipped $8 to $65 in the previous video is still gonna make me profitable, because of when I win, I make it huge and I make it large. So basically, that's just it for the emotional part of taking your losses. On that particular trade, I knew I went against my rule, because if I'm buying and I'm seeing a resistance zone, I am not supposed to take that buy. I'm not supposed to take it, because I know that the likelihood of that thing buying is slim. I went against my rule, but I was in my bed and I just saw the trade. I took it on my phone. I came on my laptop and I'm like, bro, I should not take that trade. And I still went to add. I added more positions because I felt that nothing's gonna happen to this trade. So that's it. Know the risks and you trade well. So that's just for the meantime. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe.